Hello everyone. Today we're gonna harvest the onion Barletta. We're gonna actually harvest two varieties, the Barletta and a red onions that I'm gonna show you after. Is called La Rossa Lunga di Firenze, the long red of Florence. The Barletta, while I pull off this dandelion, it's an onion that is better suited. And as I pull the dandelion, there's an example to pick at this stage. It's a pickling onion, so you pick it at this stage and you use it for pickling. I didn't get around to do this this year, so let's see. It's gonna be, I guess, just like a regular white onion. I planted this patch only, so it was not many because I have other varieties after. It was just I was really supposed to do just the pickling, like one jar. I wanted to test. Now I'm gonna make sure, because it seems okay, strange here. That's the difference. Okay, so you can see on this one I have a shallot, and then on this side right here, there they are. So some, they're still small, like this one. So maybe if I have enough, I'll make a small batch. Some, they are larger, like, let me go get one pretty large, like this one. So this one we're gonna keep it as a storage onion, or like a regular onion. That's what I mean. So you can see here another one. They are ready to be picked. As you see, most of the green fell down by itself, and some actually it's already completely dried. So I have to make sure, because the one that are dry and being such a small onion, I have to make sure I follow the line up so I don't miss any. Because this one, for example, is very small, but look at this one too, very small. So I have to keep going. I'll go until here. Oh, there it is. There's one. And then I'll go to the other side to finish that side. So this is the, as we say, the Barletta. And I have this patch to finish, and I think it goes a little bit up there. Now let's go see the other one. The other one is La Rossa Lunga di Firenze. And we have a couple of examples right here of a, let me see, where's the, yeah, this is the beginning of the patch. Yeah. And we have a couple of nice examples of the sides of this one. This one is very nice sides. Look how big they are. And this one too, as you see, they started to fall over. So I could have waited a little longer to start to dry here, but I have so many to process, because as you can see all the way here, I have the yellow globe. Then I have another Italian red variety that is the Tropea. And then I have the Boretana. It's the yellow that look like a disc. That is the only one the one that is producing the seeds. I'm leaving it, so I'm gonna have the seeds that are just about these onions. All the other, if I see a seed head, I'll cut it, because I don't want it to be mixed, So I'm gonna go ahead and finish picking these onions, and I'll show you what I got. So as for the Barletta, it does look like in the end I'm gonna be able to do some pickling, because I try to divide by this large one that obviously has to be used in the kitchen. Medium size that I could still pickle, I think, at this size. The perfect size is this one, and I have at least enough for a jar, so I could make maybe a jar of a small one and a jar of the medium. Keep the big one for the kitchen. I was noticing on which one is it, this one, something different that I never saw, or maybe on this one. There you go. It looks almost, there it is, splitting. I don't know if you guys have experience with this onion, but I can tell there's one bulb developing here and one there. You can see that it's split, and even how the rings are directed. There are two different onions, so it looks almost like a multiplier onion. Maybe it's just a one in a while, or maybe onions do that like this if you leave them in ground long enough. I don't know, but anyway, it was interesting to see this one. Obviously we're gonna cook, because I don't even think it's a good storage onion. Like it doesn't keep that long, so most probably I want to keep them in the kitchen. We use them right away as I process this. As for the Rossa Lunga di Firenze, again, larger one on the right, beautiful size. Middle ones, still like basically almost a large one, and a bunch of smaller ones here. So this one, I will put them in storage. I'm gonna let them dry, and I'm gonna see if I can make a braids out of it, and then I'll keep them in storage. So today, these are the varieties I harvest. I'll bring you back when I harvest the other. I have the yellow globe, the La Tropea, and then I have La Boretana, and a little bit of shallots to harvest. So I'll make another video about those. Thanks for watching. Take care.